I think the most important things that actually come out of the decision in terms of their consequences are, first, the Supreme Court clarified the so-called territoriality principle in two important ways. One, again, practical effects alone that extend beyond a state's boundaries do not make a state law impermissibly extraterritorial. They couldn't, because otherwise almost every state law would be impermissible, because almost every state law has some impact, practical impact beyond the state's borders. But secondly, as a conceptual matter in terms of understanding our Constitution, the court suggested and might have even stated clearly that that this Constitution's ban on extraterritorial state laws does not come from the Dormant Commerce Clause. It has nothing in particular to do with commerce. It is just a basic structural feature of our federal system, that every state is limited in some way in its jurisdiction to passing laws that have to do with its own territory. Now, there's still a great deal of uncertainty about exactly what those boundaries are as to when a law becomes impermissibly extraterritorial. But what's important from this case is that it doesn't have to do with the Dormant Commerce Clause. So just to bring up an example, if a law were to regulate something completely unrelated to commercial activity in another state, if California were to regulate, say, the possession of guns in New York, that would be unconstitutional. It would be impermissibly extraterritorial, even though it has absolutely nothing to do with commerce.